Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about filter function. I'll start with basic and down the line I will show you some advanced usage as well. So this is our data. It is a small table, consists of supervisor name, which team they belong to, what is their position and how many members they have, like team members. So first one is basic one. So let's start with, let me copy those names, the column names, and make those a bit bigger. Okay, now let's say we need all the supervisors who is working on IT and their details. So equal to filter, what is the array? Our array is the table, so our table name is team data, so we selected the team data, comma, include team data, and the column name is team. So here is the team equal to IT. So right now we only have all those who work in IT. Make them bigger so that you can understand. Okay, so let's say we want to see not IT, we need the operations, so we can change it to operations. Okay, we got the operations result. So now this is a problem to always change the name by writing it. So what we can do is we can make a cell that is team name, and here we can do a data validation. So we go to data validation, and on the any value select custom, and we select this one. I hope it works. Okay, it's not working. So list, yeah, I think it will work. So we have all the list here. So now we can choose one marketing here. Okay, and from here, instead of writing operations, we will select the I1 and lock the cell. It's an optional for here, but it's a good practice to lock the cell because I1 is not changing. $sign means $I means I won't be changing. $1 means 1 won't be changing if I go to any other place with the same formula. So here we can see the marketing is here. If we want to change it to operations team member are here, customer service, everything is here. Okay, so this is the basic one. So right now let's see if we want to combine two filters. For example, we want to see marketing team members as well as IT team members. So the same data validation will be going here, and we choose, okay, when we copied it, the cell reference also changed. So let's do one thing, we change it to data validation and not D4D8, still need C4C18. Now we have the same result. Okay, so here how are you going to deal with it? So when we have one result here, we want to include another. That means the team name is marketing or IT. When this is the situation, we can add that. First, we will be going down with our filter formula bracket. This is our formula. Okay. So we just did a bit of what you can say to look good or to make it understanding. What we can do here is put it inside a bracket, the first condition, and a plus sign, and give them the second condition, team data, team equal to, I need IT as well. So again lock, and that's it, I guess. Yes, marketing and IT, both of them are here. So if we change it from marketing to operations, this will be here. If we change it to from operations to customer service, these are here. So it is giving a OR condition. Let's look at another scenario. We copy and paste it here. So right now we go back. So these are the team names and the position. Position can be a data validation as well. So go to data validation, from any value to list, and the source will be this one. Okay, so let's select senior. Right now we need, for example, this is the previous situation, we have customer service data. So we want to only include the team members who are senior along with the customer service filter. So right now we can make a star, then team data, position equal to senior, F4. F4 to lock the cell, okay, and close the bracket for the filter function. See, we have the customer service data, only those who are senior, but maybe we need junior, so right now it's junior. From the customer service IT, we have 2 IT members who is junior, but we want to see the senior, then it's here. Maybe we can close it. Now you can see that these are IT members, team members, supervisors with senior and junior both, but here it is only senior. Maybe we can put another function, another criteria here. So let's say we want to see IT team members, junior, and who have a team of at least 5 people. Very easy, just go here and star team data, members greater than or equal to 5. That's it. So right now it is only showing me those people who are IT supervisors, junior, and team member of consisting of more than 5 or 5. So what is the difference here? Difference is when we are putting AND conditions, that means all of them should be filled up to filter. So in that case we are putting star to meet all conditions. But when we are using OR conditions, that means either this one or that one, so that's fine. It's plus sign. So here you can see the IT is matching, but there is nothing. It is showing only IT. When we are putting operations, it is showing the other results as well. So that's how you can use filter function along with AND or conditions. So give you a bonus tip. So for example, I want to see the, okay, let's create another one. Let's remove one condition from here, only keep one condition. Okay, maybe ITT members. So these are the ITT members with everyone. So here we know that the team member is IT, so we don't need this column anymore. How you can choose whatever column you need? You can only wrap this filter function with chooseCol function. Choosecols. This is my array, and column name will be 1, 3, and 4. See, we don't have the team anymore. The position and members come forward. So it is giving us more neat result because our ITT member is showing here, and we don't need this one as well. So this is our final result. So team name is IT. So when we are changing from team name IT to operations, it is giving us the operations results, but we are not showing the team column here. So these are, it is showing calculate because when we are changing everything, it is not showing us proper data here, because maybe this condition is not met because no team member is more than 5 or equal to 5. That's another thing. You can wrap this by if error. That means when it is error, it won't show anything. It will show blank because it doesn't look good to show anything else. Hope you understand now the basic and a bit intermediate use of filter function. If you have any questions, please comment below. Other than that, like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.